interrupted with the WebSocket4net DLL blocking WebSocket4net workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we start the WebSocket4net manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the WebSocket4net, the WebSocket4net core. It provides an unmanaged-friendly implementation of the WebSocket protocol, allowing applications to maintain full-duplex communication channels. It facilitates the real-time data link for streaming telemetry and chat-based application manifests. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This error typically involves a protected Windows system file. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and run sfc/scan now to verify system integrity and restore damaged files like WebSocket4net DLL. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with WebSocket4net. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Warning: WebSocket4net DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to WebSocket4net and system libraries. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for WebSocket4net and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.